Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use auto beat detection on the Filmora editing app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Filmora application on your device and you may open up any new project or continue editing from your draft. After opening your project and adding your media, you will end up within the timeline menu. Now within this menu, you can make your edits by using various different elements. Just add your videos, your text, and your music. And if you wish to edit your videos more interestingly by syncing them to beats, then simply choose the music track that you want to sync the beats with. After choosing the music track, you will see the beats option at the bottom. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you can use the auto beat detection mode. Or you may also use AI to detect the melody or the drum beats. If you choose the normal beat option, you can use the settings in order to increase or decrease the tempo. You may also use your AI credits to detect the drum beat or the melody, and you can also add any beats before or after the transition. After you have added your beat, it will be shown as yellow dots within your timeline. If at some point you wish to add additional beat, you can simply tap on the add beat while listening to your beat in real time. And through this method, you will be able to add beats and make interesting kinds of movements and syncopation within your edits. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to use the auto beat detection mode to use in your edits on the Filmora application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.